Here we are down at the canoe place. Getting ready for our canoe ride. We have real adventure here. That's the start. Okay. Okay. First one you had a duck on. How's the rear end going here? Huh? How's it happen there? A duck. First one you had a duck on. How's we like them not to go over the falls, but to carry the canoe over the falls. This is done by, they have a special bridge where you can put your canoe in and take it down. They have a special launching ramp on every side of the falls. Getting in the water, the canoe is getting it. Got to break the back end up. We're going to go into the water here.
I don't like that. It's too deep in the front. You're going to take in water.
Hold on, we're going to take in water here. To get in the canoe, you sit down and you have your canoe boss telling you which foot to put in first. I want to see a tip over here. Oh, we'll have it on America's Funniest Home Videos. Oh, that didn't happen. And there goes Frank Buck down the Amazon. Now we're going to fight boat number 2. And you see how it's done. Hopefully, looks pretty good. Whoa, hang on. Oh. Got it in. Good shot. Catch you always look for the barber. Oh yeah, there's the barber pole right there. That's right. And now we're going into the rainforest down the Amazon. And now we're up the creek, literally speaking. Kathleen is paddling back there, I hope. I'm taking a break right now. Got a video. I think we just got stuck on a log. I guess we got to clear the log. And so our adventures down the Amazon continues.
It will go fast. Now hold on.
And how to launch a boat. Canoe. Okay. Where do you pay your $5 launch fee? Boat number 3 coming up. Hey, we made it.
Alright, I gotta
get down.
Daddy's rich. So far, so good. We haven't taken on any water.
Good.
We need a sponge. That was when he got in first.
In the Amazon River.
I have my whistle.
And watch those gators. We hope we get back, not being attacked by the pygmies down here. Feel like a pig. Crocodiles. Got a guy right here. I hear the natives are restless here. Cats, crocodiles.
An alligator.
Yep. What movie is that? It's the one with Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's True Lies. The guys get shot on. It's taken on the bridge of the Keys. And the boat is and the truck is teetering on the edge of the very bank of the truck. The hood of the truck is there.
Hey, Frank. Yeah, Frank Buck.
Rolling down the river. Rolling.
Now we're going down to the deepest part of the Amazon. Going by a big bag of something. Okay, we have an alligator right here. Back up, Kathleen, don't get too close. No, we're not. Back it up.
Take the picture.
Back up now.
Take the picture.
I got the picture. Back it up. Is he dead or alive?
He's definitely alive.
All right, I got it. Good shot. Good shot. I got the alligators. We're now here at Trapper Nelson's interpretive site, and our tour guide is right here. Would you like to say a few words?
And that was a big gator.
Let me see that shirt. Are you a wild girl? Okay. Well, what's that famous saying now? That's Scully.
That's right.
Trapper Nelson, interpretive site. When he arrived from New Jersey in the early 1930s,
Now this is the best part of the whole trip. When we eat, right?
Well, we definitely worked up an appetite.
You want water, Sid?
Yeah, what is that?
Water.
Yeah. In fact, Geoff had it planned that when we stopped to eat, everybody's arms would be so tired they wouldn't be able to lift the fork up to their mouth. So,
I'll tell you what, just stand along this
They look like
for
turtles.
posterity.
Paparazzi.
Alright, paparazzi.
here, the wild woman captured alive.
By Trapper Nelson himself.
That's the magazine there.
Just turn your head halfway.
She's trying to Sid, Canoe.
Okay. Okay. There's the chief oarsman right there. What do you say? Are you up the creek?
With the paddle.
Okay.
With the paddle. And I know how to use it. Both ways.
That's good. How about sideways?
Go sideways too.
Okay.
See, if I want to turn it, I can turn it.
sing a song.
Store your back paddle.
Cruising down. Watch out, that spray. Paddle on your left side to the right.
Am I not going right?
No.
Yes, I am. Yes.
Am I going the correct way? Okay.
Am I not going right?
You're doing fine. Why are we going backwards?
I'm not going backwards.
This is an osprey's nest. Yeah, I got him. Little heron over there. Over there. Here we have what they call a big
You're
gator.
missing him.
The big one.
You're missing the gator. You see
Yeah.
that?
This is the end of the line at the Jonathan Dickinson State Park
Oh, that's the gator you got.
in Jupiter, Florida.
There you go. You made this.
Mickey Mouse! Mickey Mouse! Help! Gary! Squirrel!
Why you over there?
Panda!
Keep your feet out the wall. Alright.
Look, beautiful.
This peacock.